Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert any image, whether it's a photo, a document scan, or even a screenshot into a PDF file. This is super useful if you need to send images professionally, attach them to emails, or organize multiple pictures into a single clean document. So, let's get started with the first method using Microsoft Word. Go ahead and open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once it's open, click on the Insert tab at the top and then choose Pictures. Now, select the image you want to convert into PDF and insert it into the Word document. After it appears, you can easily resize it, adjust its layout, or even center it on the page to make it look neat. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on File in the top left corner, then choose Save As. Pick the location where you want to save your file, and under the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF. Now click Save, and that's it. Your image is now successfully converted into a PDF document, quick and simple. But let's say you don't have Microsoft Word installed. You can still do this using Online Tool for free. So, open your web browser and type image to PDF. Then go to this first website, iLovePDF.com. Once you're there, click on Select JPG Images and choose the image you want to convert. You'll see some options on the right-hand side such as page orientation, page size, and margin settings. You can customize these if you like, or just leave them as default. After that, click the Convert to PDF button. In just a few seconds, your image will be converted into a PDF file. You can also combine multiple images into a single PDF document, which is great if you're working with several pages or photos. And that's it. You've now learned two simple ways to convert images into PDFs using Microsoft Word or a free online tool. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.